Hello everybody and welcome back to another video at Love Tech. This is my first video of 2020. I know it's very late, halfway through February 2020. I'm trying to improve my video production, so I hope you enjoy the video. You've already seen the title, you know what it's about, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
So I'm going to start off with an app called Kernel. This is an app that my friend Nikias Molina made, and I'm not going to say anything, I'm just going to show you the video that he made to introduce this app to the world. Here it is, enjoy it. In summary, Kernel is an app about films that have wallpapers, blog posts, and all the details about the film, like the synopsis, the release date, and of course the trailer. Then you can add that film that you look forward to your watch list, and once you add that film to your watch list, Kernel will send you personalized notifications from 100 days, 50 days, 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, 2 days, 1 day, and of course the premiere day to keep you up to date on when that film is coming out and what will be happening in it. So all in all, Kernel is a really fantastic app, and of course Kernel is also available on the Apple Watch, otherwise it wouldn't be in this video, to bring you all the best experience right on your wrist. And they've also added Kernel Complications, which will allow you to track your favourite movie straight from your watch face. The Apple Watch app has a really minimal and stunning design, and I really enjoy using it. So that's why it's in this video. Hope you enjoy it if you decide to download it. Of course, all the links will be in the description. But wait, don't go down there yet, because you've got to watch the rest of the apps, but check it out after. This next app is perfect for people who live in cities. But if you're not one of those people, then skip to this time right here, because this app isn't for you. And for all those people who are staying, watching me right now, let me explain what Citymapper is and what it does, because I think you're going to love it. Citymapper gives you real-time departures, transport maps, line status, and real-time disruption alerts. It also has Uber integration, live cycle hire info, constant updates, everything you need and may not realize that you need to manage your life in the city. This means that you will never miss a train, a bus, a tram, or whatever mode of transport that you have wherever you live. Because this app is great again, so links in the description, and I really hope you enjoy it if you decide to download it. We all live busy lives, and no matter what you do, TimePage will be easy and simple to use for you and useful to your day. TimePage is a smart calendar that is easy to use. It makes every day more productive by combining your own events, maps, contacts, and weather in one easy app. So the first thing I want to talk about for TimePage is the great design. It's an uncluttered, stunning design that lets you see everything at a glance. It also has an intuitive heat map to show you where your busiest areas are of the week or the month. You can customize the calendar to different colors, and it also has an Apple Watch app, of course, with weather and some useful travel time complications at a glance. The Apple Watch app is so simplistic, and that's a main theme I've tried to contain in this video, and it's easy to use and very customizable at the same time. You can see temperature and rainfall forecasts for the day so that you know what you need to wear and what you need to bring with you to get around. TimePage also automatically gives you travel time estimates to walk, cycle, drive, or catch public transport to your destination. There are also widgets for weather and events so that everything you need is just a swipe away. And finally, it just works. It works with any calendar you have already on your iPhone, like iCloud, Google, Outlook, and many more. And you can also search for events unlike any other third-party calendar out there, to my knowledge, which I think is a really great feature. I have been saying a lot of positives about TimePage, but one downside I find to TimePage is that you have to pay. Not very much, but still money, so that may put you off a bit. There is a free trial though, and your calendar data is never deleted by TimePage, regardless of what your membership status is. Without an active membership, you can still use the app in read-only mode, but without weather features. Also, calendar data will remain synced to your provider of choice, like iCloud, Google, and etc. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed hearing about all these Apple Watch apps. All the links are in the description, of course. Please smash that like button and comment down below on what your favourite Apple Watch apps is to be featured in the next video. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Spend the rest of my life.